In this video, you will see how to number equations in Word for the thesis or research paper. As you can see, I have added a equation number to the right side of the equation. And I have also added a cross reference. So when we click on the number, we can easily navigate to that equation. As you can see, I click on the number and we get navigated to the equation. To number an equation, first go to the Insert tab and under the table select 2 by 1 table. Click inside the first cell, go to the Insert tab and under the equation, first you need to select the equation or type the equation you want. After selecting the equation, now you can adjust the size of the cell. After adjusting the size of the cell, click in the next cell. Now select the table, go to the Reference tab and click on Insert Caption. So because I have already inserted equation, so it is taking equation 2 automatically. Make sure under the labels you have selected the option equation. And if you want to change the numbering format, you can click on the format and you can select numeral numbering if you want to from here. I am selecting here just 1, 2, 3 and then click on OK and click OK. So now you will have equation 2 caption. You just have to select this number along with the caption, cut it and paste it in the next cell. Now if you don't want this equation, you can simply delete it, leaving behind the number. And notice that this is not at the center of the cell, the number. So you just have to select the number, go to the Layout tab and select Align to Center, so the number will come to the center. To remove this outer border of table, just select the table, go to the Table Design tab here, go to the Borders option and under the drop down, select the option No Border. Now this will remove the outer border. Now to add cross reference like this, you just have to type what you want. For example, as shown in, then go to the References tab and click on cross reference. Under the reference type, you have to select the equation because we want to add equation. So, and under the insert reference to, you have to select only label and numbering and select the equation number. For example, this is 2. So I am selecting here 2 and then click on insert and then close. Now as you can see, the cross reference number have been added. You can just remove the bold and italics and change the font size to 12 for example. And when we click on the number 2, we can navigate to the equation 2. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to thesis writing. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn more tips and tricks quickly like this.